Welcome to Partnering on the Edge, the hard work of partnering well. This is episode 3, in which we will use our co-development alliance between biotech and big pharma to explore the execution effectiveness conditions of decision clarity and velocity, plus governance functionality. The first execution condition is decision clarity and velocity. The data from the Rhythm of Business's many operational effectiveness assessments of co-development, co-commercialization alliances show that delayed decisions are the #1 cause of lost alliance value. Recall our big pharma biotech consensus-based co-development alliance. In our scenario, the partners must decide whether the Phase 1b data is strong enough to move into Phase 2. Biotech believes the JSC owns the decision. However, pharma believes the JDC, who owns the development plan, makes the decision, then gets JSC endorsement. Pharma will also need approval of an internal governance committee that only meets on a set schedule. Biotech's chief development officer is on the JDC and will consult directly with her CEO. Their offices are next door to each other. This lack of decision clarity slows everything down. Clarity means knowing. What decision is needed? Who owns it? What criteria apply? What are the downstream implications? What readiness looks like? Decision velocity does not mean rushing. Velocity is maintaining forward momentum by making decisions when they are needed, with the right information, the right people, and the right authority. A structured process is helpful for creating decision clarity and velocity. The second condition is governance functionality. Governance works when the right people have the right authority, access, and accountability. They come together to make decisions, resolve issues, and address value tensions. In our scenario, the JSC agenda is overloaded and heavy with presentations. It is an online meeting and frequently has many attendees who don't need to be there, but fear missing out if they are excluded because it is hard for them to access information about JSC decisions and direction to the subcommittees and working teams. No one is sure what decision is actually required. Is it just to agree if the data package is sufficient to greenlight Phase 2? Is it to approve a budget? Authorize the milestone payment? No one knows. The meeting becomes a discussion, not a decision forum. When these two conditions are weak, alliances drift, teams churn, frustration mounts, delays mount, and value is lost. When they are strong, alliances accelerate and maximize the value captured by the partners and advance the potential benefit for patients. In the next episode, we will examine the alliance execution effectiveness conditions of escalation effectiveness, leadership engagement, and enterprise integration as they play out in our representative alliance.